Exactly. Yeah, we're in Speed Week, but we're at Sick Week. During Speed Week. You said Speed Week, which is true. It's Speed Week and Sick Week at the same time. Oh, that's cool. I love that design. That's so cool. Oh, I like the LED on there. That gives it some style. Mm-hmm.
Oh, is that the toter?
Yep, that's a toter. Ooh, and I see the Peppermobile. Seems just a tad bit over sticking on the windshield, but yeah, it does. Yeah. I just keep walking. I think we should just look at all the cars. Then we're gonna be able to admire them throughout all the videos. Oh yeah, it's cool. Just with the base paint. Yeah, no, it's one of those things you gotta feel.
It's so subtle.
Oh.
Like, well, that's a nice little.
Yeah, I know turbo there. Yeah.
That's
Huh.
there.
Yeah. That's really good. Oh wow! Wow, that's cool because it keeps it classic, but that's awesome.
It's so hidden in there.
Yeah, it's like you never see it.
That is so cool. So subtle. I almost didn't even see the turbo.
That's so neat. We got a Grand Sport. Oh wow, that is a major Grand Sport.
Look how he tucked it
Uh-huh.
in cool.
Yeah,
And then that's probably a catch can.
but it just all fits.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Intricately.
Yeah.
That's catch can there.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty cool.
That's neat.
There's so much here, I don't even know where to start.
I know, it's just a thing of the beautiful Trans Am. Yeah.
That's good too.
Yeah. That looks good.
You did good, man, for a fucking iron.
Actually, I should say about a rough week.
Look, everything is fits so nice.
Mm-hmm.
That's a
Yeah, but it
huge
just fits
uniform.
with the paint scheme too. Ooh, and the wheels. Yeah. Oh, and look at the roll cage.
That's a good deal.
That's a cool. That's nice. What a.
I'm really enjoying seeing these types of things.
Oh, look at the Red Bull. There's also a very cool paint scheme, just with how it being the matte.
Brian said I say him a picture. Brian said, I got something already.
Was he gonna come out or not?
No, he's working.
Yeah.
Chris and another guy are here.
Oh, Chris is supposed to be here?
Yeah.
Ooh, cool.
Morris is in. Here we go. And Morris doesn't find the hook he wants. Then he gets back after it.
Oh, the Camino.
And he will coast.
I've seen that car in cars.
Tony Reed's up
Yeah.
at 95 at 151. And Morris will coast to a 955 at 106. And that is not what he wants. So they will more likely come back for another shot.
You got the Zelda Camino over here. That's pretty. Oh, and then, yeah. I'm not sure what's cooler, is just seeing the cars or seeing the matched up rigs to go with them.
It's a combination.
It's a combination. That is cool.
White,
What?
the white trailer is similar.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, that's cool, yeah. yeah. Mhm. Oh, you got the orange, yeah. Got the orange Mustang with the matching orange Mustang trailer back here. Yes, that's definitely
They're all
important.
like double. A
Ah,
lot of these are Rocky Mountain Race Week participants too.
yeah.
There's some big
Oh, that is beautiful. Little carbon fiber there. That's sweet. Oh yeah, and the carbon fiber inserts. Oh yeah, they've got to be. That's cool. Obsession is that one's name. That's cool. Dot 360. Oh wow, look at the seats on there too. Does he have a cage in there? No? Okay.
basically stalkers.
Yeah. Huh. It's cool. Yeah, because I forget what all the classes were. I always I don't really get a clear thing of all that, so.
Like 5 or 6 different
Yeah,
classes.
because you got like the street, just the street class, and then all the pros and stuff.
That
So.
might be the guy with the mobile rig.
Oh wow.
Been able to make it. Remember, he was having trouble getting funding to come.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, because I mean it's still quite a trip to take because you got to pay for the fuel and everything. So yeah. Yeah. Mhm.
These are serious builds.
Oh yeah. That's cool.
All right, here comes our next turn.
Mhm.
Street ride. On the right-hand side of the racetrack, left-hand side, Alex Taylor. The 55 Chevy, based out of Arkansas.
Mhm.
Tag Dennis
That's
getting
a pretty-
lined up. This is a
Dennis-
6-second physical ride.
Yay.
She has done it in testing, but hasn't done it on.
Oh, I didn't realize how far back he is. Wow. I didn't realize that.
It goes dead.
That's crazy. Can you imagine the steering setup on that?
Top end under power, 970
Woo.
136 and
Cool.
Taylor will cruise through to 1301 and a pretty good
Yeah, I think this one's
139 miles an hour,
traveled a
but they
Yeah.
continue to struggle.
Oh yeah, I actually saw one of those. I actually saw one of those when I was in France. Saw one of the European Street Weeks in France, so that was pretty cool. A lot of Renaults for the most part. A lot of Renaults, but there was a few Camaros in there.
I remember I was reading about this one
They brought
last
Chevy
time.
with a
The guy
bigger
was all
turbo than I have possibly seen in my lifetime. You can lose small children in this thing.
That's cool.
And Stefan Gustafson going 652 last year to lock up the title.
Ooh, got the Chevrolet wagon over there. Yeah.
How many participants? Was it 375?
I know that there's a lot.
I think so. I didn't comprehend how many cars would actually.
But that's because you only get to see the one side of it from Cletus's point of view. So it's only, but yeah, it's huge.
That's a cute build.
That's cool. Oh yeah, look at the interior. That's cool.
Interesting to see how Stefan's
Yeah.
team set everything up
This guy came
to get
Yeah.
the best use out of
That's a good beat.
Yeah.
So they set that intercom up.
Trailblazer.
Yeah, definitely a nice reason to have multiple people riding along with you that aren't part of the event, just to keep an eye on stuff as
I
well.
kind of like the noses on that Mustang.
That is a cool nose.
And then if you do the notch back,
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
see,
There's so many ways to do it.
So if we ever could do that, would be fun. Look at all
Probably just like what, street stock? Probably, but yeah. That's cool.
that is so much.
Yeah.
Super down.
But it's definitely cool just to see the classic and then the ingenuity to get it to stay classic and race car at the same time is really
This
cool.
is 63.
With the
That's sick.
and that's really cool with the cage then in the rear. That's cool.
You wouldn't expect to see too many 63 Corvettes.
No. That's very cool.
I'm not sure what it says.
Yeah.
That's pretty dope.
Mhm. But yeah, but I mean, just with the cage and then yeah, it just it also becomes like a little art piece as well. Yeah, I love the Cougar Eliminators. It's got a boss. Yeah. So I had a boss 429 in it. In the Eliminator, yeah. That's cool.
There's so many different, you know, this is the one that like, got eyebrows for the headlights.
Yes.
You don't see too many like that. I'm curious what's underneath the hood.
Me too.
A 69 Nova for sack on the right-hand side. That's the orange car. That is an LS power plant.
Look at that pale yellow.
Oh, and then there's another wagon right there, so.
See, that fox right there has a Mercury front end on it.
Oh, SS, yeah. We got another Buick Roadmaster wagon.
It's 710 at 195 miles
It's
an hour.
got very basic,
Yeah.
but still functional.
So this one, yeah, so this one isn't the souped up one.
So I mean, wrong turn.
Look at that. Oh, and is that original seats?
Over on the left side of the racetrack.
So see,
I don't
that's all
know.
you need. Long term for baby.
It's original interior.
You got the rack.
Yeah, that's all original interior in there.
So we just have to tell them all.
Uh-huh.
This way they do. There's pretty across right there.
That's cool. Look at how well that interior is held up too. I mean, maybe he's gotten it redone, but that looks pretty original.
Got a decent.
Yeah, that's cool.
There you go. That's your type of. That's the race car you would fit.
Oh, here you go. Look at how he did the cage in the back. And still has the back seat. Let's go! Let's go! Ah!
The Holly gauges.
Oh yeah! Wow. And then it's got obviously got the arrow right there too.
All you need is time, money, and ingenuity, and patience.
Yeah. That's cool.
They're everywhere!
Project Crush. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lovely smell.
I'm sure you want to take advantage of the good weather situation. Speaking of the good weather situation, Brian Gold's doing a multi-time Dragon Drive champion, mostly on Upright Drag Week. This little lady came up with a big 450 with wind. And over 200 miles an hour. This thing is so fast it shreds the driver's door. And then he had to put it back together like a Lego.
Oh, sticker! That's pretty cool on the paint scheme. Yeah.
And knock it in. A little bit of time change. He's going to try to
I
drive
need a Fox body in my life at some point.
top man, Brian Goldstone.
That roof, no spoiler, with that nose. See, that right there?
Yeah.
In a cream color with something. Oh, it's good. No spoiler.
Blacked out. With the
That
cream.
body, that nose, that roof. We call that the notch back.
Okay.
Notch back, notch back.
Gotcha.
That's just a nice, sweeper look to it.
Yeah.
That nose.
It always makes me think very much of a Corsica. It always does. Yep.
This gets it refired now. 872.
That's cool.
Block Chevy with Not one, not two, not three, but 4 stages.
I wonder if they're gonna get in trouble with U-Haul.
We should count.
What?
We should count how many lessons.
I think that's gonna be the majority of the field.
Now, granted, we don't have the yesterday, and unfortunately, last year didn't even make it to day 1. We had a flame out about halfway down the racetrack on Kipling Day.
That is a serious trailblazer.
Yeah. And that's really cool with the clear box as well. Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, all of you that are in
It looks really good, yeah.
I want to make sure that you guys kind of respect other people's pit spots. We've already got some reports of people that are parking in other people's spots. Like we've had some racers that are going out to make a pass and they kind of leave, say, a cone or a chair or something in their pit spot, and they have to come back and they have somebody park in that spot. So we realize that Orlando has a certain amount of room, and we have to consider working.
And also, depending on what area you park to, it might be hard to see who's too, so there is that. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you know, it looks, what's it, more Rusto mod. Oh! That body style is so iconic. Yeah.
Look how deep it is.
Yeah. Oh wow. Sweet interior to go with it. Oh, and they're still keeping the color coming through in the interior on the front there. Awesome. Yeah. But I do love that front end. That is just such an iconic one. They got a die cast of it somewhere, I think. I don't remember where. But yeah, but then also just the lines towards the back as well.
They got that Coke bottle shape.
Exactly. That is cool. I like those. Just how far? That's good. Just hello. That's funny. You gotta do what you gotta do. That's funny.
I like how he's running on the steelies for the drag radio.
That's smart. Just get a little bit more weight back there. Audi EF5. Nice.
Yellow round.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
And the front end is perfect. I mean, look at that. Oh, that's interesting. Look at that. Is that aftermarket?
What?
The headlights. Is that aftermarket? No, that's...
That's a Trailblazer SS Specialty.
Okay. Oh. Right here.
You're an international scout. That is too cool.
That's cool.
So many unique builds.
Exactly.
That's a cool trailer. And the campsite too. That's cool.
How does he do the headlight? Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
So he has, well, I don't know. Does he have a headlight?
He might have a special way to make it work.
Yeah.
But it's mainly.
Oh, maybe he is able to plug it in. That could be. I don't know.
They got that.
That's
one,
cool.
so.
Yeah. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta make it work.
Yeah.
You probably come back trailers.
Again,
Oh wow, that is good back.
so we appreciate them so much. Again, you'll get, maybe sick and tired of hearing Derek talk about them, but again, we can't do it without
Big
them.
boy
And
race.
we appreciate them so much.
I think part of the attraction is definitely those trailers.
Yeah, the trade is just, it's really
so
cool.
you can make a portable car horse. Cool.
That's helpful. Ooh, that looks good.
Bad boy there.
The carbon fiber stripes, that's just, it adds that texture to it that's really cool.
Being business.
Yeah,
Ground bit looks good too.
yeah. Ooh, pretty Nova.
I do like seeing the lower intakes too. That's like clean. There's
It is so
much
clean.
room in these old trucks.
Yeah. That also probably gives a lower, should help with the lower center of gravity and all that, so.
Well, that way you get all the air.
Yeah.
Oh, he's got F-body accessories too.
That's one reason why the Dodges have to have the engine so high is because they have that stupid new safety feature where the engines have to drop on impact for whatever reason, which doesn't make any sense to me. It's like wherever the engine is, it's going to get smushed. So it's like it doesn't. I don't get how that's helping.
Helping to go underneath.
Yeah, I don't get that.
I mean, I get it. Rather than
Yeah.
go through.
Yeah.
That's
Pretty.
an old late 80s, early 90s graphics.
Yep. That's pretty cool, dude.
That's unlimited. Look how the back half is kind of chopped up.
Oh,
That's cool.
that's neat.
I do like that.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That car gets beat on. Quite a bit.
Plenty of good seating here in Orlando, and there's lots of small events, so there's no reason you can't find a spot to watch the racing action. There's no reason. Oh, look at
Trailer idea is cool.
What?
Trailer idea is cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
The overlaying Crown Vics.
Project Rescue, that's cool.
Project Rescue.
Yeah. Oh, look at how pretty that is in there.
I
Wow.
don't know if it's a pole or what. That's pretty.
Yeah.
That's a shaved. That's my intake. Or the older intake shaves nice and smooth.
Ah, that's cool.
That's pretty.
Yep, LS2. Nice. Look at the Harley Crown Vic. He's nuts. Did you see the Harley Crown Vic over there? That thing's nuts looking. Yeah. Oh, and then there's that. Oh, wow, that's cool. Kind of. Huh? Kind of. Just keep adding cars to my want list. Oh, the topper looks good. Yeah.
And that's one of the, streetcar, like,
Oh, custom donuts.
yeah, it's a streetcar. Well, yeah, again, you can drive your car down the same road.
Ocean Race Works.
So, once again, streetcar.
I like that blue in there.
That is beautiful.
This is, of course, the
Yeah. Yeah, that is a beautiful blue.
Yeah, nice. I don't remember
It's
if it's stock or not.
it's almost close to that the new blue jean blue almost. I think it's a little bit darker, but that looks nice. Yep, lightning.
Oh, well, there we go.
Yeah,
From the Suburban.
yeah, and a beautiful two-tone. That is awesome. Oh
He's
yeah.
got the big brake upgrade.
The motor
Oh,
that's
sweet.
in
Yep.
Morris's boost
So we
factor
put his
wagon.
Terps.
The motor that's in Clark. Oh, shoot, I'm going to mess up his name. Rosling Stable.
That's pretty roomy still.
Mm-hmm.
In his Camaro.
Looks good.
Let's cut off that one.
And
Yeah.
of course, Tom Bailey's
You can't tell if it's twins or single. I think it's just single.
Yeah. That's what I'd
All right,
say.
ladies and gentlemen, while we get Tom Bailey ready to go for his shot, Officially, slick tire lanes are closed. Slick tire lanes for groups A and B are now officially closed. Do not come to the staging lanes. For my radial tire cars that are here in attendance, you do not need to start suiting up immediately when you see the end of lanes 1 and 2 coming, because we're going to prep the racetrack just for you in both lanes. So it'll probably be about a 5 to 10 minute delay while we prep the lanes for radial.
That's good.
Again,
I know, right?
1 and 2 are empty.
Got the nice old Camaro logo on there. Looks sweet.
But you do not need to immediately jump in your cars. We're not to that point.
Oh, yeah.
We prep the racetrack. So we will run the remainder of slick tire cars. And that will be interesting because we already have Michael Westbrook back in the lanes. We have a couple other cars that already made it into the back of the lanes.
Yeah.
And again,
Oh yeah, still got the seats in the back. Oh
we
yeah.
know that it's going to be prepped specifically for it. If he wants to come back up, he's going to be a radio prep.
Can't really get your legs in there to use the seat anymore, but so
They
there.
were barely
Yeah.
usable to start with.
Sitting there going, okay, let's let the track.
I know.
Let's make sure that we got everything all.
That's cool.
Eyes dotted and T's crossed. So ladies
That's
and
turbo.
gentlemen,
It may be a Porsche motor actually.
quickest car in the United States, street legal and street proven. Tom Bailey
Goes into the Camaro.
in 6 seconds, the 69 Camaro.
What?
See all that goes
wow.
into the Camaro?
Restart
Wow.
session number
Impressive.
1.
Very impressive.
On sick week day 1.
My tape comes in.
Mhm.
And of course, the deal is he's got to make a pass and he's got to turn it into time slip. That's how it works. You turn it into time slip and then you get the round. Ladies up at the top of the tower.
Yeah.
Must make at least the car go through the beams under its own power
Yeah.
to get 20 seconds to
Maybe.
remain yourself in competition.
Wow.
So, if
Look at that window. That is beautiful.
he's moving around, sure. But I'll tell you what,
This is a Roadrunner. Oh, but at least its badge says the Roadrunner anyways. Beautiful. Look at the carbon fiber inserts. I think so too. Looks beautiful though. Nice. And also that wagon is just absolutely awesome. Mm-hmm. Yep. Yep.
So you don't want to
Yeah.
do anything.
Oh, look at that scheme. Yep. I know, right? Looks great. Mm-hmm. Awesome. And then the GTO with the blacked out hood. That looks awesome. Yep. Oh, and then it goes all the way through the roof to the back. Nice. Yeah. Woo. That's a lot of cool cars. Yep.
The heavy duty front end.
Mm-hmm.
Good swap.
Sounds good. Alright, let's start heading back on the other side. Looks like there's a few guys heading out already. Yeah. Yeah. Probably need to get up there and actually start watching
We're spinning them out now.
as we're walking back, yeah.